Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aya, and today's video is a bit special and different. It's inspired by a Lego set called Tales of the Space Age. We are a Lego loving family, especially my husband, and I thought it would be fun to create some cards based on this build. Stick around till the end, and I will show you his Lego builds too. One of them, the red orange one, it is not part of the official set. My husband custom built it for me using his extra Lego pieces. Now let's dive into a card making. As you can see, creating this background is a pretty simple. You will just need a gradient for each color, and the rest will be black. I will be using a die from Pink Fresh Studio called the Pop Out Straight Strips Color Block Rubber Stamp Die Set. Sorry, it's very mouthful. Okay, so I had a few ideas on how to color the strips. Either use colored cardstock, but I didn't have the gradient for all the colors, or stamp the strips with the gradient inks before die cutting, or just go the easy route, just die cut the strips in a white cardstock and color them with the Copics. While coloring, I realized that one of my Copic markers had been scribbled on. It turned out to be my 5-year-old son had gotten to them. Okay, back to die cutting. So I die cut multiple strips and starting matching the colors to the Lego build. For the black background, instead of coloring with markers, I thought it would be simpler to die cut strips of black cardstock. You can also use a paper trimmer to cut different sizes of strips. No need for special dies. Once the strips were colored, I adhered them to the card using double-sided tape with half of the strips in color and the other half in black. However, looking at the Lego build, I noticed the black sky has some texture, so I added a black strips to my panel as well, to match the effect. Now it's time to add the focal point, the space build. But unfortunately, I don't have any space themed dies, so I improvised with random dies, cutting them from black cardstock. I love how cards turn out. However, if I were to create this, I might use colored cardstock to achieve a more even background. I hope this video inspired you to create cards using everyday items, decor, or even clothes. And don't forget to check out my husband's Lego builds at the end of the video. If you know any Lego fans, feel free to share his work with them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.